HAIBOXING 118 Scale All-Terrain RC Car 18859E, 36 km per hour high-speed 4WD electric vehicle with 2.4 GHz remote control, 4x4 waterproof off-road truck with 2 rechargeable batteries. Powered with superb and fast brushed RC380 motor and unceasingly efficient drivetrain, this 4WD RC truck's rampage speed stopping to 36 km per hour, which finds operators in marvelous enjoyment. Flexible and solid PVC truck body, high-grip knobby off-road tire. 2.4 GHz full-function proportional radio control system suffices a stable control range within 280 feet. Making best use of LiPo battery packs necessitate disconnecting and taking it out from this off-road truck when not in use.
Please subscribe now our channel for every new